Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can transform your travel experience, the Garvee Rooftop Cargo Box. We found this handy cargo carrier online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Garvee Rooftop Cargo Box is a hardshell carrier designed to fit on the roof of your vehicle, providing you with extra storage space for all your travel essentials. With an impressive capacity of 11.5 cubic feet, or 326 liters, this cargo box is perfect for anyone looking to maximize their vehicle's storage capabilities. Its durable construction, crafted from high-quality ABS material, ensures that it can withstand the rigors of travel, rain or shine. The waterproof and UV-resistant features mean your luggage will stay protected from harsh weather conditions. One of the standout features of this cargo box is its aerodynamic shape. Not only does this design help cut down on wind resistance, but it also minimizes noise and enhances fuel efficiency, making your road trips smoother and more enjoyable. The cargo box can hold up to 135 pounds, which is more than enough for a family vacation or a weekend camping trip. Compatibility is another key aspect of the Garvee Rooftop Cargo Box. It fits all vehicles equipped with a roof rack, including cars, vans, and SUVs. Just make sure to check your roof rack fitting guidelines before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. A particularly convenient feature is the dual-sided opening system. This allows for easy access from both sides of the box, making loading and unloading a breeze. It comes with 2 keys and secure straps, ensuring that your belongings remain safe during your travels. Just remember to lock one side before opening the other to maintain security. So, who is this cargo box suitable for? It's perfect for families going on vacations, outdoor enthusiasts with gear to transport, or anyone who simply needs extra space for their belongings. Whether you're planning a road trip, a camping adventure, or just moving items, this cargo box is designed to accommodate your needs. In practical use cases, imagine loading up your camping equipment for a weekend getaway, fitting in everything from tents to coolers without cluttering your vehicle's interior. Or think about those long family road trips where luggage can quickly take over the back seat. The Garvee Rooftop Cargo Box makes it easy to keep your vehicle organized and your passengers comfortable. In conclusion, the Garvee Rooftop Cargo Box is a reliable and spacious solution for anyone needing extra storage while traveling. With its durable construction,